We are happy that the 5th Professional Conference on Swift, the non-stop bird, is taking place in the non-stop city Tel Aviv-Yafo. Just like the Sweet, a speedy flying wonder, Tel Aviv-Yafo is vibrant, dynamic, and innovative city, and above all, the spiritual lighthouse of Israel. It is therefore only natural that when nesting time arrives and the Swifts land after 3 years, they choose to do so in Tel Aviv-Yafo. We wish you a successful and enjoyable conference, one which will take you to even greater heights. Thank you very much.